Okay, hands up, who knows they should be doing more on social media? Yep, absolutely, me too. And the number one reason why most people don't do as much as they feel they should be doing on social media is simply a lack of time. Who's got time to be chasing around all of those different platforms, connecting your different pages, connecting your different groups, posting something frequently, and making that post interesting enough that people actually want to follow and engage with you? The number one frustration with most business owners and most online marketers is that there's too many social platforms and there's too many ways to communicate with too many people. There's simply not enough hours in the day to be able to handle all of the tasks that we know we should be. And yet, when we look at social media, we know that's where the customers are. I used to be the one that said, my customers aren't on social media. Well, guess what? That's incorrect. We just hadn't found a way of reaching them yet. The majority of the world's population that is connected online is on social media of some kind. And unless you learn how to master it, you're leaving money on the table. You're literally not reaching the customers where they are. My name's Walt Bayliss, and we've created a platform specifically to be able to take away the frustration of time when it comes to managing your social media. Social Post Magic is the app that we've developed to be able to combine all of your social media into one dashboard, to be able to create interesting and engaging posts that can then post to every single platform. And you can schedule those posts and recur those posts so that something interesting you've created can be again posted to new audiences and new eyes in 30 or 60 days' time. Social Post Magic is the combined platform that really makes it easy to manage your social media and finally be able to do as much social media as you feel you should. Social media is where your customers are, and being able to work with all of the different platforms in a structured environment that allows you to schedule your content and be able to reach people on an ongoing basis is really a valuable skill. And that's why Social Post Magic has a place in the market. You'll be able to combine all of your social media platforms. You'll be able to create an unlimited amount of posts. You'll be able to schedule those across all of the different platforms and be able to do it from one dashboard. Imagine creating 3, 6, or even 12 months worth of social content that you never have to check back in on again. It simply posts for you, increasing your engagement and increasing your followers. That's why we've created Social Post Magic. And getting involved with this platform allows you to connect everything together, manage all your profiles, and boost everything that you're doing online. Click now and join us on Social Post Magic, and let's see if we can make social media work for you.